Wait, before you scroll away, can I ask you something? Do you have goals that you have not achieved yet? Maybe it is starting that business, getting healthier, finding love, making more money, or finally feeling confident enough to go after what you really want. You know what you want. You have visualized it. You have made the plans. But something keeps stopping you. What if I told you that in the next 10 minutes, you could release the invisible blocks that have been stopping you using nothing but your fingertips? Hi, I'm Priya Sangwan, and I have helped thousands of people break through their blocks using EFT tapping. Today, we are doing this together. All you need is an open mind and your willingness to tap along with me. Ready? Let's go. What is EFT and why it works? EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. It is also known as tapping, and it is backed by over 100 scientific studies that shows tapping can reduce stress hormones by 43%, calm anxiety, and literally rewire your brain. Here is how it works. We tap on specific meridian points on our body, the same point used in acupuncture, while focusing on what is blocking you. This sends a calming signal to your amygdala, the fear center of your brain, telling it you are safe, you can let this go. The result? Those limiting beliefs, that fear of failure, that voice saying, "Who am I to do this?" they start to dissolve. And suddenly, taking action towards your goals feels natural instead of terrifying. Now, let me show you the tapping points. We will use 9 tapping points. The first tapping point is karate chop. This is basically known as karate chop. Second is top of the head. Third is beginning of the eyebrow. Fourth, side of the eye. Fifth, under the eye. Sixth, under the nose. 7, chin point. 8th is collarbone, 1 inch below the collarbone. And 9th is under the arm, 4 inch below your armpit. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Your intention is what matters most. Now, let's begin. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Now, think about a goal that you want to achieve. Maybe you already know what that goal is. Just bring it into your mind. Now notice what feelings comes up when you think about actually achieving it. Is it excitement, fear, or doubt? Whatever it is, we are going to release it. Let's tap. Say with me. You need to tap on the karate chop and repeat with me loudly or in your mind. Even though I have these blocks stopping me from my goals, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though part of me is afraid to succeed and part of me doubts I can do this, I chose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though I don't know if I deserve this goal and I'm scared of what happens if I actually achieve it, I'm open to releasing this fear now. top of the head, all these blocks to my goals. Eyebrow point, these fears that keep me stuck. This doubt that I can actually do this. All this fear of failure. This fear of success. What if I succeed and everything changes? What if I fail and everyone judges me? All these blocks in my body. I acknowledge these fears. Maybe I have learned to play small. Maybe I was told I couldn't do it. Maybe success does not feel safe. Maybe I don't feel worthy. All these old beliefs, these patterns that don't serve me anymore. I'm open to release them. Letting go of what blocks me. Now just take a deep breath. Hold and slowly exhale through your mouth. Notice how you feel. Feel the shift and keep tapping with me. I choose to release all these blocks. I choose to know I'm worthy of my goals. I deserve success and happiness. It's safe for me to achieve my goals. I trust myself completely and deeply. I'm capable and strong. My goals are possible for me. I'm clearing the path. I'm becoming unstoppable. I release the fear of failure. I release the fear of success. I'm safe to be visible. I'm safe to be powerful. I trust the universe to support me. I'm magnetic to my goals. Everything is aligning for me. I'm manifesting my dreams now. I take inspired action. I'm confident and clear. My goals are already on their way to me. I'm worthy. I'm ready. I'm capable. I choose success. I choose abundance. I choose my dreams. And so it is. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale through your mouth. Now notice how you feel. Do you feel lighter, calmer, more helpful? That shift you are feeling, that is real. You just sent a signal to your nervous system that it is safe to go after your goals. You cleared decades of conditioning in less than 10 minutes. And here's what I know. The block you release today, they will try to come back. That is normal. But the more you tap, the weaker they get. Until one day you look up and realize you are not afraid anymore. You are just doing it. Now listen. If you felt even a small shift from this one session, imagine what would happen if you could release all 22 of the major blocks that stop people from manifesting their goals. That is exactly why I created my course, Tap to Manifest Goals. It is a 22 guided tapping videos that systematically release the fear of failure, the fear of success, unworthiness, self sabotage, procrastination, imposter syndrome, and 15 more hidden blocks. Each video is 10 to 15 minutes, and by the end, you will have cleared the invisible barriers between you and everything you want. Plus, you get 3 bonus tapping meditations. Hundreds of students have already transformed their lives with this course. They have manifested new jobs, started businesses, healed relationships, and finally felt worthy of their dreams. The link is in the description below. If you're serious about your goals, if you're tired of being stuck, if you are ready to become the person who actually achieves what they set out to do, click that link. Your breakthrough is 22 tapping sessions away. Before you go, do this with me one more time. Place your hand on your heart, close your eyes, and say, "My goals are possible. I am clearing the blocks. I am becoming unstoppable." Open your eyes. You just declared your power. Now go click that link and let's continue this journey together. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more free tapping sessions every week. I'm Priya Sangwan. I believe in your goals and I believe in you. Let's manifest magic together. See you in the course.